I'm Nadia Dunn. Welcome to CCL TV. Joining me today at the White Label Expo here at London Excel is Nick from Voyager Life. Nick, thanks so much for joining us today. I know you're so busy.
No, it's a pleasure to be here. It's been absolutely frantic this morning, so it's kind of nice to have a different conversation.
To have a little break. Come and see CCL TV for a break.
Exactly, yes.
Now, could you tell us a bit about Voyager Life and your role there?
Of course, well, I'm the Chief Executive and I founded the company in 2020. We have three different parts of the business. We have a consumer brand called Voyager, a second consumer brand called Ascend Skincare, and then we have a division that actually manufactures either private label or white label products for customers. We're entirely about plant-based wellness, so it's all about CBD and hemp. Those are the two main ingredients we use. We use hemp seed oil as well as pure CBD, and we also make products out of hemp, and we can do that right across the three ranges that we have.
Wow, that sounds amazing. And what does coming to an event like this help you do?
Well, we're presenting on two levels. We're presenting our finished consumer product, so that's Voyager and Ascend. And then we're also presenting the white label and private label products. And what we say to customers is, because we do the manufacturing ourselves, we can be entirely bespoke. So if they want different sizes, different shapes, different strengths, different packaging, we can do all of that for them. So most of the conversations today have been about companies or businesses wanting to set up new brands or new ranges, and we've been working with them to see what we can do to assist.
And I understand your colleague's speaking at the event.
Yes, one of my colleagues, Tamara, is speaking. She's speaking on sexual wellness. So our best-selling private label product is a water-based lubricant containing CBD. We also have an oil-based lubricant, and around about 56% of the products we sell white label are in one of those two categories. So that's the topic she'll be talking about.
Amazing. Is this talk at 3:30?
Yes, it is
yes,
indeed.
I saw your colleague earlier and said I was going to come along to that talk.
Oh, brilliant.
Because it'll be interesting to see the kind of audience it pulls together, because at this kind of event, that's not the usual kind of talk that we kind of seen here before.
Well, we like to be a bit different, and I mean, the topic sort of catches the attention, as does the products themselves. As I said, the water-based lubricant in particular goes extremely well. It's very unusual. It's not the type of thing you generally find in shops, and the added CBD just creates some additional benefits as well.
Well, I look forward to hearing her talk, so thank you.
Terrific.
Now, can you tell us about any challenges that you've seen within the industry over the last couple of years?
Well, regulation is changing all the time, and rightly so. I think one of the challenges CBD generally has had is it hasn't been properly regulated. I often say it's regulated through the back door. So in the UK, the regulation tends to be about how much THC, which is the psychoactive part of cannabis or hemp, is in a product. Our products are entirely free of THC, but we've got novel foods regulations coming in, we think, in the next couple of months. What we find across the industry is there's a lot of variation in the quality of products. Are people providing lab reports? Is labelling in line with UK requirements? Mm-hmm. I mean, in our case, we are absolutely strict in terms of labelling guidance, THC content, which is 0 for us, independent lab reports for everything. So for us, regulation's a friend. I mean, it's a challenge, and it's a nuisance to comply. But by complying, we can make ourselves a little bit different to some other companies by giving that assurance to our customer base that if you buy a Voyager product, it's properly made and it's in line with regulations.
And do you use digital marketing to get those things out there as well?
Enormously. I mean, that's a good question. It's another challenge we have in the industry is that people like Facebook and Google, Instagram are often reluctant to go for paid-for adverts in CBD and hemp. So digital marketing in terms of improving the SEO score of our website, just getting the information out across just the standard social media platforms is absolutely crucial. We employ a lady in our team who did a degree in digital marketing. I didn't even know that was possible, but she's absolutely terrific in terms of managing our social media presence.
Oh, well, you should get her to come and visit us here at CCL TV.
She'd love it.
What are your thoughts about us being here at the event?
I think it's terrific. I mean, I think the more publicity that events like this get, especially coming out of COVID, where we've all had so long in terms of not being able to go to events like this, I think it's so important there's that sort of your broadcast sort of concept, just telling more people about it. So I always love to meet new people and say what we're doing a little bit different to others. So I was delighted when your colleagues came to see me at our stand.
Oh, well, thank you so much for being here. It's a delight to be with people face to face again. So thank you so much.
Yes.
Good luck with the rest of the event.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you too.